ring rules. This is strictly prohibited. This is a ring, not a reading class. Referee Chooks TV is now instructing the fighter to remove the glasses before we continue. Please stand by. Oh wait! Si LeBron at Pacquiao magkasama na mo. OMG! All right, referee gives the sign. Tuloy ng bakbakan! Okay, no more distractions. Sunglasses off. It's time for the real fight.
Well, hindi ko alam kung if you're really serious about this, kung gusto mo yung charity na yan and you've laid some conditions, then let me lay my own conditions for the event. Kung serious ka talaga ha, but I cannot be there sa Sunday. I have other things to do. Pero Tuesday, available na ako. Tuesday, Wednesday, but not Sunday. Tuesday, Wednesday, or any other day. Kaya, I think mas okay para sa'yo kasi mas may oras ka pa para mag-ensayo. Kasi medyo yung pagsuntok mo, pag-jab mo, nakababa ka agad yung kamay mo, kailangan nakadepensa yan sa mukha mo. Pag-jab mo, balik ka agad sa mukha, ha? So, konting advice lang, mag-ensayo ka.